guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. If you guys have not already watched this video of how I got my hair blowed out like this, then just go to that video. But I want to talk to you guys about what I think about my hair. This is going to be a COVID update video, so hopefully this video is maybe only like 10 minutes long. But I got my hair blowed out for you guys as much as I could. My feeling towards my hair, I feel like I need to cut a little bit more off of my ends because my ends still feel rough. I'm gonna try to put a full circled view of my hair, like with me kind of blow drying it in this video just a little bit. But you guys, what I've noticed about my hair, it is September 20, no, it's August 25th, 2022. This go around with me blow drying my hair, I feel like I lost a little bit more hair than I should have. But I noticed that the roots of my hair is pretty kinky. I did not start on freshly washed hair, and then I didn't blow dry my hair in smaller sections like I normally do. But with it being August, September, October, November, I am literally like 2 months away from it being a full year of when my hair came out. Like 45% of the density of my hair came out. I am 2 months away from that. While I'm talking to you guys, I am going to cut a little bit of my ends off. I don't know if I should. I think I am. I feel like my hair has grown back a lot. Like even this part right here, like you guys can see where it kind of stops at. But my hair has grown back significantly. Like, let me see if I can get this piece out. So I am gonna put pictures in of how short like the nape of my hair area was like before. Also, these pieces up here, I feel like my hair has grown back in, like in the temples and around my edges. I feel like my hair has grown in a lot, but you can see how thick it gets, and then it stops getting thick right here, and then it gets thin. And I feel like that is the progression of, it is my hair growing, like the progression of my hair growing. I also feel like that is, so here's my edges as well, from having from having my son. Like my edges was completely gone. Even the temples of my ears, like I didn't realize how all of this was bald. And as you guys can see, once again, how thick it is, all of this, and then it just gets thin right here. Shh. But all of this is thick, and then it gets thin, and that's because my edges was completely gone from postpartum. But I feel like my hair is growing back thicker from COVID. I feel like I probably got a good maybe 5 inches of new growth. I did do a measuring on my hair before I hacked all of my hair off, but I feel like because my hair is shrinking differently than the hair that I'm pulling on the ends of my head, I'm not getting a really good accurate reading of the length of my hair. And once again, like I said, I'm gonna just kind of dust my ends. I don't feel like I'm getting a really good accurate reading of the length of my hair, but this is a little bit more hair than I would have originally liked to come out with blow drying. But I also haven't blow dried my hair in like, I think it's been about 6 months or so. But the things that I've been doing to my hair is washing my hair every week. And I want to stop washing my hair every week, even though my scalp feels like it's itchier. It feels like it gets itchy faster than before. Like before I lost the density of my hair, I feel like it gets way itchier faster. And that's why I end up actually washing my hair every week. But the texture of my hair on the ends, they feel a lot rougher, like I have single strand knots and some split ends. So that's what I'm really trying to get off of my hair right now. I really feel like I've done a great job with trying to deal with the two different textures of my hair, but I feel like it's just time to actually get rid of these. Really, they feel like they've been burnt or fried, but I know I haven't put in any heat or anything on my hair yet, so I haven't put in any heat on my hair for it to feel fried like this. But I just know that it's time to cut the dead ends off, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I know a lot of you are probably cringing in your seats watching me cut my hair off, but it'll grow back. Like I've said before, I cut my hair a lot, and at this point it's not about if my it's not about if my hair is super long looking or if my hair is really even looking, because you guys know that I don't wear my hair out at all. So for my hair to not necessarily be even at the bottom is not that big of a deal to me, but I'm just more worried about if my hair is breaking off up the shaft of the hair and then with it growing back out. Is like, I would rather my hair be healthy from the bottom and also at the top. So I've cut off already about 6 full inches of hair from my hack job. My hair is nowhere near my pants anymore. So I did not reach my tailbone length hair because of my setback, and I didn't want to sacrifice the health of my hair anymore trying to reach that length. So I am really calling it a quits, but I just wanted to show you guys how much of my hair I'm cutting off, and then really just to document and tell you guys what my hair feels like. I feel like I said, I feel like my hair has grown back in certain places on my scalp, but in certain areas, like I feel like the middle of the crown of, like the middle and the top crown of my head, I hope that makes sense. Like this is the crown, I feel like, and then this is the middle back. I feel like my hair is not necessarily growing back in as thick as it was before, but it is the first year, and I feel like it's kind of just taking time for my hair to fully recover from being that thick. So this is how long my hair is now. So just a length check, and I am getting so hot in here. It is really time for me to open up the doors, but I'm still washing my hair every week at this point right now. I know I did just blow dry my hair, but because I don't feel like it's remotely straight at all, like it's still pretty poofy. My hair is kind of stopping at top of the boob and a little bit past armpit. And every time when I cut my hair like this, I'll be like, dang man, my hair ain't been this short in so long. But it's completely okay with me right now, especially because I don't have to cut off as much as I thought I had to cut off. But just as long as the ends of my hair is healthy, I don't want to cut off the back of it too much, because you guys already know how difficult it is for me to actually grow hair back here. But I don't feel like my hair is what am I trying to say? I don't feel like the ends are that bad. And these two pieces of hair is so uneven because of postpartum shedding in the back. Like my hair, the unevenness and the thickness of it is real, because one side of my head went completely bald. But if you guys can see, it's like I've done a pretty good job at keeping it quite even, but it looks like I need to cut it up to here. But that's just the hair that's growing and catching up with the with the other hair. And then let me show you guys what the back look like. I got this measuring shirt on, but because my husband's not here to help me measure my hair, I honestly don't think that this shirt is doing any justice. So I'm gonna just tell you guys where my hair is falling. I'm gonna just let you guys know where my hair is falling. But I do feel like I got a good 4 inches of growth from my scalp. I also need to stop putting my hair in a middle part, because I noticed that I'm starting to kind of get a little wear in the middle part of my head. But my hair is nowhere, so my hair is still very, very kinky at the roots, which is letting me know that my hair is getting thicker again. But I can, so if I'm looking at, so my hair is right at waist length. This is the bottom of my bra strap, and then this is my armpit, which I can't really show you guys, but this is my bra strap right here, and then this is right at the top of the indention where my thumb is down here. That's the top of where my rib cage stop at, which is the start of my waist. So here's my bra strap once again, and then my hair is just starting at the bottom of my rib cage, at the beginning of the indention of my waist. So I'm pretty sure it's just gonna stop like right at the top of the indention, like I said before, and I just snipped off like another ½ inch of hair. But right now I'm just so sick of the straggly looking ends, and I'm wanting all of my hair to be back even, especially when I take like a shower and just seeing my hair from the back and seeing how thin and uneven it looks. I'm just so over the see-through ends. But like even right here, I can tell how much more thicker my hair is than the hair down at the bottom. But you guys, I know I probably repeated myself like so many times in this video, but that's what I have for you guys. This is what I was talking about. The the tip of my hair, I feel like it's kind of getting thin because I just keep wearing my hair in that middle part. But all of my edges have grown back. They're kind of spursy right now, but I'm gonna try to put some clips in, some before and after clips of what my hair used to look like and the growth while I'm talking to you guys. But it's grown back a lot. I do feel like it's getting so thick. The products, like I keep saying, that I'm continuously using in my hair has been my DIY oil. But I do feel like I need to do another tea rinse, because this is a little bit too much hair for me. I guess what would be okay would be like if I lost maybe this much in a blow dry, but I've lost like, it's not double but the size, but it's enough. Like it's a little too close to comfort for me. So yeah, you guys, this is my big well, I shouldn't even call it a big chop because I still have a lot of hair on my head, but I can feel that it is getting thicker by the months, and I am so happy that it is coming back. Poo-poo. Okay. So yeah, I'm really happy that my hair is coming back. Please stay tuned for a wash day on my blow dried hair, even though it doesn't look super blow dried. It's blow dried enough, like I can stick a comb all the way through my scalp. So please stay tuned to see what my hair looks like wet, and then hopefully like my hair kind of curls back up, and especially when I do my mini twist, like hopefully my twist looks so much better. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any comments, if you have any COVID stories with hair loss, then please leave them down below. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.